It's okay.
Okay.
This is the number 14.
14 mil?
Yeah.
Okay.
See? 14. Then we can this is the original brake.
Mm-hmm.
It's like 50%.
Okay.
Yeah.
You think I should wait or to get it just to get it
It's
done?
better you can do it right now.
All right, let's do it right now.
And then you see this one. You see the difference.
Yeah.
That one is going to inside. And this one is go outside.
Okay. And the new pads are gonna look just like this?
Yeah, just like that one. But this is a little bit more. Can you to give me the another one?
Index.
Okay.
All these are the same?
Yeah,
Same clips?
This is for the. Okay. Grease.
Yeah.
If we can use a little bit on this.
On the inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, that one look really good, but
This is how it should look?
yeah. It's just a little bit because
A little goes a long way.
yeah. That one has to work like a in out, in out, in out.
Okay.
See the difference?
Yeah. So this is like 50%.
You see this form like a curve
Mm-hmm.
is because the rotor you have this like a circle. Sometimes we forgot and put it like that, but not fit.
Yeah.
Okay. And that one we have to compress it back.
Okay, what tool can I use at my house to do that? Like a C clamp?
Yeah.
That'll work.
We have another thing, but
C
we use that one.
Yeah.
This is special just for the caliper. And then you have to compress that one a little bit. Coming down. Put back the 14. It's not really tight, but you know, it's the brake.
Yeah.
This side is good.
Okay.
We use that one because it's a torque bar.
Okay.
It's like just 100 pounds.
What's the other tab? Inside and the outside. Trash.
So
Okay.
easy, right?
It's easy, but I don't have that tool. That where is it?
The caliper
Yeah.
control.
Yeah.
That one.
So
You can buy
get
it
this.
one. If you know, you can use the another kind of caliper. Actually, but for the change the brake pad, you have to compress back this piston.
yeah,
But really, sometimes it's hard. You don't have something like that.
I know. So I just have to get that tool, and I can do it at my house.
Yeah, or you can buy. Let's see. That one, no, that one is for another kind of car.
Put on Amazon, because I'll order it from Amazon.
Yeah.
So let me see which one is the right one.
Yeah, because it's in the car, it's still running, but you
Okay,
need
that one work.
only 3%, meaning white and sun. You have the tire.
Yeah.
Which
This is that I use it. This is for me is more easy and then more quick. That one,
Where is
look,
it?
look, that one work too,
1,000.
and that one too.
It's running, it's
Mine is that
no
one.
problem.
this one will work.
Yeah.
Okay. So I
You-
get this one. That one. 33.
No good one, huh? How much, 500? Huh? Huh? Unit? 2008. New engine. Yeah, new engine. 22 miles per gallon. How much mine? 200 plus. 220. But new engine. New engine. You
This
change the
this
transmission.
torque bar don't pass too much like 100 pounds,
Okay.
no more.
Got it.
That's all.
Let me check.